Hello everyone, welcome to Superior Equipment in Phoenix, Arizona. My name is Kurt, and today I'm going to be showing you stock number 98E78WT. This is a 1998 Ford 2,000 gallon water truck. It's in very nice condition. You've got two front sprayers, one on the side. Put a fresh coat of paint on it and a new tank. Here's a look at the interior. It's automatic. This is a Allison automatic. A Cummins engine. Here's your controls for the sprayers. 26,000 miles. This truck is a 1998, so it has none of the new emissions to mess with. This is a good truck, a very good truck for the right person. Spring suspension. Here's a look at the back of the truck. Two sprayers. We are a full service water truck dealer, fabrication shop, mechanical shop, paint booth. We can do anything to this truck that you'd like, within reason. There's a look at your tread on the other side. Another look at the interior. You can see the dash is intact. Seat's torn over there, but that can be fixed. I'm going to open up the engine compartment. Again, this is a Cummins engine. Here is the tread on the passenger side steer tire. Look at the engine. It looks nice and dry in there, as it should. So look at the tread on your driver's side steer tire. Look at the other side of the engine. This is an excellent truck for the money. I'm going to set the phone down. And now I'm going to start the truck up. We'll clean this up a little bit, but you can see that dash is all intact. Not busted up at all. Fires right up. That Cummins sounds good in here. I'm going to kick up the RPMs. You can see when I do that, no shaking on that wheel. That's a good solid engine. The sprayers work just fine on this truck. It's ready to be put to work. Chelsea PTO. Once again, my name is Kurt. Superior Equipment. Thank you for watching my video today. You can reach me directly at 602-487-4777.